we have a challenge for us.
You have a challenge.
Okay, I have a challenge. Corey's going along because he's a good sport.
I might go back in the AC.
We're Corey and Amy, part-time RVers, full-time heatwave survivors. This is Chase Your Escape, our way of ditching the 9-to-5 routine whenever we can, and trading it for campfires, back roads, and the occasional creative meltdown, usually caused by weather. We're not pros, we're not perfect, but we're figuring out how to make the most of the time we've got, and we're bringing you along for the ride.
This is the challenge. We are having a massive heat wave. So we're
It's
gonna
100 degrees.
Yeah.
I know.
That's
Geez.
the whole point.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna see what things we can come up with to stay cool. Are you up for it?
Yeah, I'm up for it because I'm married to you.
He'll do anything I ask nicely.
I don't know about that, but I'll try this.
Okay, good. Okay, so come along as either we melt or we figure out ways to stay cool in the massive heat wave.
Or we go back in the AC.
Or we go back in the AC. Oh my gosh.
What's hot?
Little rings.
Really?
The drinks sit in. They're black, they're hot.
Mine's not hot.
Mine is hot.
The wind. Oh, it's gone. This isn't working. I'm not cool.
Okay.
But it's a dry heat.
It's a dry. Moving on to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay. Did I just cheat because I went in the trailer?
You're a cheater.
We make it hot, we make it crazy.
Do you want the big one or the little one?
I don't care.
It's supposed to be a cooling cloth.
I guess we're putting water on it. That's one way to do it.
Okay, put that one in. Okay.
Ooh, you got the short end of the stick on that one.
Well, that's because I'm less worried about the heat as my husband.
It actually cools you down a little bit.
That's it.
I feel like it.
Okay. So we'll see how long we can last.
Yep. 1,000. 2,000.
I think the breeze helps more than these.
Yeah. So this is like almost done. I've warmed up all the cool water.
This worked all of 5 minutes. No. Ooh. Okay, that's one way to do it. Yeah, this isn't working. Is it working for you?
Well, it helps.
Ow. Oh, those rocks are hot.
What's next?
Oh, look, we didn't read the instructions.
What's the instructions say?
The instructions say, step 1, get it wet with water or sweat.
Or sweat.
Wring out excess water. Step 3, grab at both ends and pull hands apart, snapping the fabric to activate the cooling technology.
So I snap it?
I guess. Okay, then put it around your neck.
That's cold. But
Okay, so that one's a plus.
this is a help.
Okay.
It's not going to let me stay all day, but
Okay, do we want to try the next one?
let's try this.
I can feel the heat, I can feel the heat.
Old-fashioned swamp cooler. You need a fan. Of
And
course,
electricity.
Electricity, but
If you have electricity, you might have AC.
you ruined it.
Okay.
I have a battery-powered fan,
Oh, okay.
but we're using this one because we are.
No,
Ice,
fine. Yeah.
which we were, well, no, a refrigerator can run on propane, ice, and a vessel. Plug in the fan, because that sucker's hot.
The Blackstone.
The Blackstone, I can feel it. You know what? We've never used this.
Well, I can feel the airway over here. I feel like it's blowing hot air over ice. If you stand like right here is cold. Put your hand right there.
Put my hand right here. Okay, nobody else gets the swamp.
See, it's like a 2-inch zone
Nobody else
of
gets the
coldness.
swamp.
I have an idea.
Okay.
Put the bag of ice behind the fan.
Bag of ice behind it. I mean, it's cool, but I don't think it's old-fashioned. Maybe if you have nothing else.
If you're in a tent,
If you're in a tent and you have electricity,
and you have a cooler,
or
you can make ice.
you can keep ice,
I'd try it.
maybe. Yeah.
And then I put my head right next to it.
Then I just go like this, or
Throw
like
ice
this.
in my sleeping bag. So that's a plus. But you're not feeling it cooler with coming around with the bag of ice
No, I don't feel like it. It's just moving hot air.
over
It's like
cold ice.
It's like it's dragon's breath.
Dragon's breath.
It's dragon's breath. The heat, that's dragon's breath.
Okay. What do you think? 0?
And
Okay.
I think I'd much rather use them like this.
If you have ice, I think I'd do that. It's melting already.
It is. It's 100 degrees.
It literally, you think this would work. You really would. There's so many better uses for this ice. Better uses for ice than sitting here in front of the swamp cooler that doesn't work. In your drink. Ooh, drink. Rubbing it on your neck, that'd be good. If you're really brave, stuff it in your pockets. That could cool you off. Sit on it.
Sit on it.
Ooh, that'd be cold.
Much better uses than dragon breath over ice.
This is not a winner.
Okay. Next.
There's a heat wave, yeah.
Next try to stay cool is one that I just recently heard about, and that is that
Drink a hot liquid.
drink a hot liquid will cool you off.
So hot apple cider. So the theory goes is that hot liquids, your body wants to cool because of the hot liquid, and then that makes you feel cooler overall. That's what they said.
I'm just so confused. So if you're cold, do you drink cold liquid?
That's what I asked, and they didn't have an answer. Actually, it was your brother.
Oh, it was my brother. Well,
Hi, Ricky.
hi Ricky. So hot apple cider.
I feel so much cooler.
I'm gonna sit here and drink my ice water. You no.
I tell you, I feel so much cooler.
No.
I don't know about that. This cold water is much better than that hot cider.
Okay. So that myth
That's
is
a maybe.
I don't know how I feel about drinking hot liquid. Like even just holding it makes me more hot.
That's true. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything for you. This is more like it.
This is more like it. Fan,
Yeah. Ooh, I like the fan.
fan, swamp cooler fan.
Hey, that swamp cooler really works when you have the AC door open.
This is the life.
the shade and the
Shade.
wraps. I might be able to do this all day.
We might make the challenge.
I don't think so. What's there? The hot dragon's breath.
The
Well, I'm
hot.
not sure we told you how to keep cool.
Yeah.
AC works,
AC is wonderful.
but we have candles
It works.
melting. It
Yeah.
is warm today, so but I think we were successful in finding a cool drink, some shade.
This
And,
might work.
Stay cool, everyone.
Stay cool.
Yeah, that doesn't work a bit. So I was shocked that that rag, when you snapped it, it actually got really gold.
Technology.
Why didn't we read the instructions before? Like
Because
how
reading
long have we had that rag?
Forever? Oh, do you see the bird that just got the fish out of the lake?
Oh my gosh, it's a better fisherman than I am.
Well, since they have to do it for survival, I guess maybe that's good.
If you made it through the heat with us, give this video a like. It really helps us out. And if you enjoyed this kind of content, consider subscribing. We've got more adventures, experiments, and escapes coming your way.